Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to calibrate your GMI PS200 gas detector. Maintaining your device through regular calibration is crucial for accurate gas detection and ensuring safety in hazardous environments. We will cover both zero and span calibration, which are essential steps. It is recommended to perform a quick bump test daily and a full calibration at least once every month to ensure optimal performance and compliance with safety standards. Let's begin with zero calibration. First, ensure your GMI PS200 is in a fresh, clean air environment, free from any gas contaminants. Power on the device, and as the countdown starts, immediately press the left, right buttons to enter calibration mode. Once in the menu, navigate to Calibrate, enter the code 333, and then hold the power button to zero all sensor ranges. Release the button once zeroing is complete. Next, we move to span calibration. You will need a calibration gas cylinder and a 0.5 liter per minute fixed flow regulator with a C10 fitting. A typical gas mix contains 25 parts per million hydrogen sulfide, 100 parts per million carbon monoxide, 50% LEL methane, and 18% oxygen, with a nitrogen balance. Connect the gas to the monitor's inlet. Once the gas is flowing, select Auto set on the device to allow it to automatically adjust the sensor readings to the known gas concentrations, completing the span calibration. After completing both zero and span calibration, it is highly recommended to perform a bump test. This quick test, typically lasting about 15 seconds, verifies that all sensors respond correctly to gas and that the audible, visual, and vibrating alarms are fully functional. Always check that your gas readings are stable and accurate. Remember to keep thorough records of all calibration and bump test results for compliance and future reference, ensuring your GMI PS200 remains reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.